Okay, we have a true utility, the Handyone multi-tool in one. We're gonna see how it looks like for the first time unboxing this. Like all these accessories in here. Alright. The box cutter. Doing this very carefully. Very hard to package this. Poster. Belt cover, not bad, that's good. So we got bits in here, looks like they're impact quality. Quarter hex extension, Phillips number 3, 2 and 1 and 1 inches, slotted, big and small, and we got extra smaller. This one here is a hex. There's 3 of them, 3 different sizes as well, with a bit holder, kind of nice. And here's the multi-tool. Got a knife, I think it's number 2 screwdriver, and that one is a beer opener. That will be my favorite one. Okay, and here's the plier, crimper, grabber, side cutter. Okay, let's see how we can fold this. Okay, grab it from here. What else is in here? We saw the screwdriver already. There's a file, a handsaw. That's for wood, and again the knife, rope cutter. We got rope cutter, wood handsaw, file, beer opener, Phillips screwdriver, plier. This one is like your channel lock. It's a long nose slash place, and yeah, all in one. Yeah, feels good. This is how you close it. Slip light in here. I think there's a room for your bits too as well. See if we can put it together. Maybe it's optional. This is kind of tight. So where you put it here for your belt. And all of them are joined with screws that are Torx, and some are, I think, hex. And looking at the other stuff, I'm not sure what's the use of the other things. It looks like you can replace the blade too as well. Yeah. And not sure what those holes for. Kind of nice. One thing I forgot is, where do you put this bits? There should be a place here to store or put that thing. Maybe it's right here. Let's find out. Oh, look. That's actually where you put it. It's going to be extension, screwdriver, put the bits in here. And closeness. Yeah, not too bad. Cool. So I hope you like my video. If you like my video, if you have any suggestion or question, you can click like, comment, and subscribe. Again, thank you. This is a nice true utility multi-tool.